Welcome to this Mark's Reviews Tutorials video. I'm going to show you here just a little trick about when you're checking the oil on your BMW. The electronic sensor actually needs the car to be on, running and warm. Just using the stick here and the little flick switch that's on it, we're just going to pull that down. You see we go through to check, set. This is how you set obviously your clock and the date. And here oil, you press the button on the end then of the stick. Now the important thing to note here, see that little clock? See the little clock there that's going round and round? That means it hasn't yet registered. So when you have a look, when you see that, it doesn't mean, oh, there's nothing there. It means it hasn't registered yet. So I'm going to go for a little bit of a drive, and then when it's warm enough, I'll show you that again, and it'll then come up with the lead. So now we've been for a little bit of a drive. So again, on the end here, we'll go down, 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 till we get through to oil, which is there. Then just press the BC on the end, press that, and here we go. Now we've got a reading, and I can top that up. I'm going to put a litre in when it's that much down. I'm going to add a litre of oil. This had some leaks I've since fixed, but it was leaking. Have a look for my other video about where to find oil leaks on a 120i, because I'm totally experienced in that now, so I can share that information as well.